Hi, and let me all introduce you to my first panis quadratus. I am going to do a Roman food week very soon, and I thought it would be amazing to get a piece of bread that looks similar to the ones from Pompeii. So this is my first attempt. I am quite pleased with some of the stuff, like it smells delicious, it's gonna taste delicious, even though the flour I used not necessarily the most appropriate, a bit anachronistic, but it doesn't really matter. And then I quite like how my seal came out. That's also very nice. And the grooves, that's a bit more of an issue. I don't know, what do you think? I think they should be going deeper down. I've seen a lot of these breads online and people score them with a knife as if you were doing modern bread. But if you do that, then it opens like here. So I thought I'm gonna give this a different approach, and I'm gonna do it with a piece of string, because I was using the string for this, and more on that in a second. But I think that's also not quite right. I've since then seen in some websites that maybe they use something that looked a bit like a wheel. So I'm going to try to make something like that in order to try it next week. So yeah, the moment of truth, my string was definitely too thin and it's gone inside the bread. Maybe my bread was too watery, I don't know. What? Let's see. So you would have bought this bread, removed this. Well, my keyboard will not be happy with this. There you go. And should we see? Ooh, this is rather lovely. It's still steaming. Can you see the steaming? I have the feeling from what I see in the images that I'm gonna put in the blog when I explain a bit more about this, that the bread would have been a bit more stodgy. This is actually, this is divine. It's very tasty. I'm not sure. This is Paul Hollywood meets Pompeii. Well, I'll put all the information together and I will create a blog post where I explain how I do it. And next week, maybe it will look more like a proper Pompeian loaf of bread. See ya.